Hello guys, welcome back to Life in Frames. My name is Himang and this is Manisha. So on this channel we create travel related content, and since we are on a 5 days visit to Meghalaya, so today we completed day 2. So in this video we will be talking about what we actually did in day 2, what all places we visited and how our experiences have been. So let's begin.
So day 2 was basically more about waterfalls and caves. We visited 3 waterfalls today. The first one we started was with Wi Sao Dong waterfall. So basically हम जिस resort में है उसके एकदम पीछे ही वो waterfall है. So हम यहीं से we trekked a little bit, like 15-20 minutes का trek था.
Yes.
And we reached the waterfall. Wi Sao Dong is actually a layered waterfall और ये काफ़ी famous waterfall है. So we will share some pictures and you can see, you might have seen this waterfall whenever you search for waterfall in Meghalaya. So how was your experience in that?
Trek was good. It was not that tough as such. And नीचे जाना easy था, but when it came to coming back up, that too in monsoon season, so it became quite challenging, at least for me.
And one more thing is that it rained throughout the entire day today. So हम जब ये वाला ट्रैक भी कर रहे थे तब भी बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही थी. So that brings in a little bit of a challenge. Otherwise the way it is कि आप नीचे जाते हो through some stairs. एक चीज़ अच्छी है कि there is a bamboo holding throughout the entire the trek. So आप ऐसे पकड़ के जा सकते हो.
But it gets slippery like.
हाँ, exactly.
Yeah. So
like
you
for
need to be
monsoon.
careful,
Yeah. तो हमने वो waterfall देखा, we clicked some pictures and then हम वापस आए and then we actually left in our traveler.
Correct.
हाँ. So हमने थोड़ा I think कितना half an hour का travel था.
Half an hour, 45 minutes,
हाँ.
and then we reached our second spot. Again, it was a waterfall.
Yeah. So like I mentioned, we went through 3 waterfalls today. The second one was the Proot waterfall. हमने इसमें right to the back of the waterfall walk करा, right? So yeah, but it was not as tricky as the previous one. ये थोड़ा मतलब आपको इतना difficult नहीं लगेगा. आप सीधा straight path में ही walk कर सकते हो.
So जैसा first waterfall का ट्रैक था, so it was quite steep and then नीचे जाके पूरा हमको waterfall देखने को मिला. But on this second waterfall, so it was on the straight trail as such. इतना ज़्यादा climbing और इतना difficult नहीं था as such, and it was quite manageable.
और like I mentioned कि हम waterfall के back तक गए थे. And then we also came a little bit down और जहाँ waterfall जहाँ गिरता है we went to the edge of that also. तो वो दोनों parts हमने explore करे जो बहुत अच्छा experience था.
काफ़ी it was nice experience to have that too in monsoon season. तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा था जब actually you get to see waterfall and then हल्के जो drizzle आपके face पे पड़ता है, so it felt quite good.
उसके बाद फिर again third also we went to another waterfall which is the Lingsear Falls. One interesting fact about the word Lingsear is that I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It also means orchid in Khasi language, correct. Right? So it's the name of the fall, and also the orchid is also known as with this name. So वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा था. And in this waterfall you can actually swim in the shallow part of the waterfall.
इसका सामने से I would say एक मेजर वाटरफॉल था एंड देन उसके नीचे 2 वाटरफॉल थे, तो काफ़ी ही एक ब्यूटीफुल सीनिक व्यू था.
I think all 3 waterfalls were unique in their own way. तो पहले 2 में आप swim नहीं कर सकते, but the third one had actually changing rooms and you could change into swimsuits and आपको life jackets वगैरह मिलते हैं. So you can use that and you can get into the shallow part of the water.
इसमें थोड़ा ट्रैक करना पड़ेगा आपको, like you will have to go down and then hardly 50 steps रहेगा. 50 steps के बाद you will get to see waterfall, then you spend close to 1.5 hours. You swim, then you change your clothes, then you start trekking back up. थोड़ा सा ट्रैक रह सकता है. It is not that hard. Hardly 20 minutes का ट्रैक रहेगा up and down, so that is quite manageable.
Now the last part of the day, अब तक already 2:30 हो चुका था, right?
And we were starving, like we had not had lunch. So तब से like we were like looking for food, कहीं से कुछ मिले खाने के लिए.
But then we still had one more item on our agenda, which is a cave. So we explored the Arwah cave, and I think this is the first cave experience for us, right?
So yeah. So it was quite narrow. So it was actually a cave experience for me for the very first time. And जैसे जैसे मैं अंदर जा रहा था, the caves were getting too much narrow. And me being claustrophobic, so मेरे को तो काफ़ी वो क्लोस्ट्रोफोबिक वाली फील ही आ रही थी. आई लाइक एट वन मोमेंट आई थॉट लेट मी गो बैक, बट देन आई वाज लाइक कि अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, सो लेट मी एक्चुअली डू इट. बट देयर वर कपल ऑफ पीपल इन अ ग्रुप हु एक्चुअली वेंट बैक. यू नो काफ़ी गुड एक्सपीरियंस है. यू वुड गेट टू सी फॉसिल्स एक्चुअली who have been there since last couple of billions of years, and along with that there were a couple of other things that our guide was telling us. To be honest, I tried understanding but I could not understand much, so that is now my homework, that I would go back and then I would start reading about those things that our guide told us today.
सो मतलब वो केव वाला एक्सपीरियंस भी काफ़ी अच्छा था. वेरी यूनिक थिंग दैट वी डिड टुडे. Like Himang mentioned, there were a lot of fossils that we saw. So basically, the cave is actually an example that this part of the world was underwater once
Yes.
upon a time. So when the tectonic plates and all they hit, उस टाइम पे फिर ये वाला सरफेस ऊपर आया, एंड देन सो यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ सी एनिमल्स एज फॉसिल्स. तो हमें काफ़ी सारे ऐसे वी सॉ सम फिश जिनके बहुत पुराने फॉसिल्स है. वी सॉ आई थिंक फॉसिल्स ऑफ क्रैब
Crabs
ऑल्सो.
also, yes.
So these are here for like millions of years, and you could actually see the engraving of their body on a rock, which was very fascinating.
So inside, like we went to a place जहाँ पे इतने डीप गए थे हम केव के अंदर. सो इट वॉज वेरी मच नैरो, एंड इफ़ वी हैड नॉट हैड आवर लाइट्स ऑन देन पूरा पिच ब्लैक था. एंड आवर गाइड शोड अस कि हाउ वाटर एक्चुअली केव वे फॉर इट्स ऑन पाथ. सो उससे कैसे पूरा पाथ बना, एंड देन कैसे अंदर एक स्ट्रक्चर्स बन के आए. सो दैट वी एक्चुअली विटनेस टुडे, एंड इट वॉज क्वाइट सरियल एन एक्सपीरियंस.
Also, if you notice that we mentioned that we had a guide, so during today's trip we had a local guide to help us understand or navigate the waterfalls as well as the cave. So वो भी एक काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस इसलिए भी है क्योंकि आपको खुद नहीं समझ में आता है बहुत सारी चीज़ें. सो इफ़ देयर इज़ समवन स्पेशली इफ़ इट्स अ लोकल पर्सन, तो वो काफ़ी अच्छा एक आपका एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है. आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ों की अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाती है.
And specifically in the caves, because if you're planning to go and visit caves, then better to get a guide, because as in when you go in, then इतने सारे different paths that you would come across, so high likely you will get lost. So better to go with a guide, and we found couple of guys who were actually lost in the caves. So like let's not make that mistake when you are inside there. Always be with a guide who would be telling you what all things are actually inside, कितने fossils है, कैसे आए, and then he would also be guiding you कहाँ से जाना है, कहाँ आना है.
And also interesting part is that there are certain entrance in the cave जहाँ पे आप बिना गाइड के नहीं जा सकते. So it's in case you are coming alone and you do not have a local guide, so you will not be allowed to enter inside, and the local people would not let you enter those specific areas of the cave. So it is while you can still explore on your own, but it is always recommended you do it with a guide to get the overall experience. Post that I think तब तक already and also one more thing is that वो cave जाने का जो रास्ता है, like from where we parked till the starting point of the cave, वो भी बहुत सुंदर था. Right, that walk was also very nice.
And you actually get to witness why Meghalaya is called Meghalaya. So you would see इतने बादल है आपके सामने, and it has actually covered the entire valley, and you are witnessing that. So that is the highlight of the day, I would say.
So आप जब walk करोगे, you're walking through, like Himang mentioned, there are clouds and there are also like misty forest.
Yes.
तो आपको फॉरेस्ट ट्रेल्स के थ्रू आप जा रहे हो. द पाथवे इज़ वेरी नाइसली मेड, लाइक आपको हाँ वेल मेंटेन्ड, सो यू नॉट फेस एनी इश्यूज इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट. बट आप जब ऊपर देखोगे यू सी लाइक ऑल द ट्रीज फॉरेस्ट, और उसमें तो हल्के हल्के पानी है, बारिश हो रही है, क्लाउड्स आपको दिख रहे हैं, तो वो भी बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था.
एक चीज नोटिस करी, सो इवन आवर गाइड लाइक ही पिक्ड अप सम ट्रैश फ्रॉम इनसाइड, एंड देन ही केप्ट इट लाइक टिल द टाइम वी एक्चुअली केम आउट. सो ट्राई नॉट टू लिटर, specifically like if you're visiting any tourist place for that matter. अच्छा नहीं लगता है, right? So let's avoid doing that.
So now अब तक ऑलरेडी बज चुके थे 4:30 से ज़्यादा.
5 बज गए थे, like ये करते करते 4-5 चीज़ें 5 बज गए थे. हमने अभी तक लंच नहीं किया था, and finally we went to have our lunch, and it was in a local restaurant. काफ़ी छोटा सा एक kind of an outlet था, and वहाँ पे उन्होंने बेसिक अपना जो एक्चुअल क्यूजिन्स होती है मेघालय की, तो वो उन्होंने टेस्ट करवाई. एंड काफ़ी मल्टीपल ऑप्शन थे, वेज था, नॉन वेज था. नॉन वेज में चिकन था, पॉर्क था, So there were a couple of people जिन्होंने mix and match करके सारा खाया, and food I found good enough.
हाँ, so basically we got like a थाली kind of thing. तो उसमें राइस थे, then there was like साग था, बैम्बू शूट था, वेज पे आई थिंक चने थे,
2-3 चटनियाँ बना रहे थे.
हाँ, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ चटनीज थी, और उसके बाद करेले की भाजी थी, राइट, एंड whoever wanted to have chicken had chicken, और सैलड था एक्सेट्रा. सो लाइक अ गुड मिक्स ऑफ मल्टीपल लाइक लोकल आइटम्स वेर देयर इन द थाली. तो अच्छा था, इट वॉज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. अब तक बाय द टाइम वी वर डन विद आवर लंच इट वॉज लाइक 5:30. like I mentioned, right, पूरा दिन बारिश हो रहा है,
बारिश हो रहा है, like सुबह से बारिश हो रहा है.
like legit मानसून ट्रिप पे आए हैं, तो like the बारिश is like we will make it worth it. So उसके बाद फिर हम so the lunch that we had was in the local market or the shopping area of सोहरा. तो आज मंडे है, एंड मंडे इनकी एक लोकल मार्केट लगती है. So it happens once a week.
In a week only.
Once a week. So हम थोड़ा explore करा हमने वो area भी. तो like they will. So one thing that we saw was that it's mostly women-led market. So there were mostly women who were who were in those shops. And हमने थोड़ा वो भी explore करा, देखा क्या क्या veggies मिलती है. All the fresh produce they had brought in.
Veggies fresh ही लग रही थी.
हाँ.
Fruit थे, veggies थी.
बटल नट थे, हाँ, काफ़ी. टोबैको देखा, फिर उसके बाद ड्राई फिशेस बहुत थी. देन हम फिर ऊपर भी हमने देखे, वहाँ पे लाइक कपड़ों की शॉप्स थी. यू कुड ऑल्सो हैव लाइक सम स्नैक आइटम्स वगैरह कुछ थे. तो ये सब चीज़ें थी, वो थोड़ा हमने एक्सप्लोर करा. एंड देन लाइक वी वर लाइक कि भाई अब हो गया, अब घर ले चलो.
7:30, so we were like कि अब बस let's go back now because we have been out since morning and काफ़ी घूम लिया 5-6 जगह आज का. So we all were tired, so we decided to come back, and then finally we came back to our resort.
So then we wrapped up our dinner, and then that's it for day 2. It was a good experience. Waterfalls, mostly it was heavy on waterfalls. 3 waterfalls देखे, एक cave देखा, and थोड़ी सी shopping भी कर ली, and अच्छा सा एक homely लंच भी करा.
हाँ. एक waterfall आज और जाना था that we could not visit, so the plan is to visit that waterfall tomorrow.
And we are checking out from here tomorrow. We again have a long day. There's hiking tomorrow, there's waterfall visit, and there's also a cultural event that we are going to attend tomorrow, so it's going to be a long day. Stay tuned for that, and we'll be back soon.
Yeah. And आज एक चीज़ और क्या हुआ, around 3 AM in the morning. So इतनी तेज़ बारिश हुई, so lights went out, and so जहाँ हम रह रहे हैं, इस जो रूम का रूफ है that is made of tin. So जब बारिश हुई, इतना तेज़ आवाज़ आ रहा था around 3 AM in the morning, so I woke up. Then I was like कि देखता हूँ मैं हो क्या रहा है. So it was like thunderstorm going on, very heavy rainfall happening. So वो भी एक अलग experience था for me at least today.
एंड ऑल्सो हम लोग जैसे जब भी निकलना चाह रहे होते हैं, एकदम पूरा क्लाउड आके कवर कर देता है, एंड देन बारिश. सो हम मतलब लाइक बाहर घूमने भी निकल नहीं पाए इधर आसपास भी. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग, एंड वी विल सी यू सून.
बाय बाय.